How to fix Telegram app not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Telegram app not working problem. So for this you have to go to your settings, click on settings, and now you have to go to install apps. Click on install apps and now search for Telegram. Click on Telegram and now you can see the force stop button. Click on force stop button and press OK. Now you can see storage, so you have to click on storage and you have to clear all the cache. Press OK. Go back and you can see app permission. Now you have to click on app permission and allow all the permission. Go back to the menu and restart your phone, and you have to reopen the Telegram app. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.